Hi, my crafty friends. We're working on a shutter that I found at the thrift store. We're going to make it a little more farmhousey, a little more old looking. It started this color. I just cleaned it, found it on Facebook Marketplace. I'm adding antique brown glaze, which is from Rethunk Junk. I am clean after I cleaned it, I'm literally just brushing it on and wiping it back. Getting the look I want. If I want it darker, I'm going to put it on darker and not wipe so much back. And set that to the side. We're going to work on the little signs. I believe I got these little things from Walmart. Just 3 little pieces of plank board. Scrap wood works also. I'm using a baby wipe and some Rethunk Junk in semi-sweet. We're going to get those a stained look. All 3 of them. I'm not going to worry about the back. Nobody's going to see that. The edges, though. Get the edges. There were some rough edges that I couldn't get with the baby wipe, so I'm dabbing my paintbrush in there. Now with linen, which is an off-white color, we're going to use this stencil, but not the way it's laid out. We're going to use the home, sweet, and home. Using a makeup sponge from the dollar store. I'm not even offloading it, I'm just lightly dipping it. Now I have burlap and I have these cute little wreaths. I got them wholesale, but you know, Hobby Lobby and Joann's has some cute ones. I'm using hot glue to secure that into place. And I'm going to do the same thing with the second one. Hot glue at the top and hot glue at the bottom. So we're just going to hot glue those into place. Then that top piece, we're going to make it go over the top, and now we're going to do a bow. Of course, a farmhouse bow. The lace was curtains I got at the thrift store. I cut them into strips. Some homespun, some all kinds of things. Pip berries. Definitely have to have pip berries. That I got at the dollar store. It's only one-sided. We're going to use some twine and tie it up. Lay it in place with our pip berries. Use the twine to tie those on. And we're just going to dab some hot glue to hold that into place. And use some twine to also tie it on to make it secure. And then we just attached it, the burlap, to the back with some hot glue. Cute, cute farmhouse display piece. Happy crafting.